If you want to create a poll in SurveyMonkey, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the full process step by step so you can quickly build a simple poll, customize your question, choose your answer options, and publish it so you can start collecting responses right away. This is a great method whether you're making a quick audience poll, a feedback question, or a simple multiple choice survey for your team, customers, or followers. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, go to SurveyMonkey in your browser. Once you're on the homepage, look for the option to create a new survey. This is where you'll begin building your poll from scratch. Click on the Create Survey to open the survey setup screen. From there, you want to choose Start from Scratch. That gives you a blank survey canvas and full control over the question format, which is exactly what you want when creating a poll. Now, you'll see the survey builder. The next step is to add your question. Click in the field that says Enter your question and type your poll question clearly. For example, you might ask something like, which product feature should we build next, or which design do you prefer? The key here is to keep the question short, direct, and easy to understand, because that makes it easier for people to respond quickly. After entering the question, you need to choose the right question type. Click the drop-down menu that shows the question type options. If the answer you want is a single choice poll, you'll want to use multiple choice. If you don't see it right away, click View More to show the full list of available question types. Then select multiple choice from the list. This is the best option for most polls because it lets people choose one answer from several options. Next, type in your answer choices. These are the options people will select from when they take the poll. Add each option one by one so your respondents can easily compare them. Try to keep the choices clear and balanced. If needed, you can include an option like Other, but for a simple poll, it's usually best to keep it clean and focused. Once your question and answer options are ready, click Save. Saving locks in your poll setup and make sure your question is added properly to the survey. After that, look for the Publish Survey button and click it. Publishing is what makes your poll ready to share with other people. When SurveyMonkey generates your survey link, you'll see a copy option. Click Copy to grab the link quickly. You can now paste that link into email, social media, group chats, Slack, or anywhere else you want to collect responses. This is the final step that lets people actually access and vote on your poll. And that's it. You've just learned how to make a poll in SurveyMonkey from start to finish. You opened the site, created a survey from scratch, added a question, selected multiple choice, typed your options, saved everything, published the survey, and copied the shareable link. If you found this helpful, please remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.